Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this widget tutorial, let's explore the Brand Carousel widget to show off your brand partners on your online store. The Brand Carousel widget is a must-have feature for online stores to show off brand partners and associates to convey a powerful message to the audience. Thanks to Ultimate Store Kit, the widget offers better personalization to let the carousel fit your theme. Sounds good for your e-commerce store? Let's see it in action. To start using this widget, you may find it under the Widgets menu and drag-drop it on the page. Once on the landing page, the widget shows blank images. Under the Content tab, the Brand Items section holds the item lists. These are the ones displayed on the carousel. You can add more or delete existing items. You can display as many brands as you wish on the carousel easily. Each item box allows you to select a brand image, name, and link. You are free to select your brand images to display on the carousel and fill in all items to complete the whole lineup. Now, you might notice that the logos are kind of less visible. That's because of the default image opacity. The option can be found under the Style tab inside the Image section. You can adjust the opacity anytime. There are other style options like the image height and width, which you can customize to shape the carousel as you want. As for the basic layout options, under the Content tab, you will find additional options such as column numbers, item gaps, and image height. The carousel displays brands in 3 columns, which you can make into 4, or more or less, from 1 up to 6 columns. All carousel has navigation controls. As for this case, you can choose from the 5 navigation styles here. In the case of dot navigation, you can make them dynamic, as well as adjust the dot's position over the carousel. Anyway, you can also customize the carousel settings, the animation styles, delays, and stuff like that. For the layout, you may choose a carousel or cover flow style. Both have a different content presentation. The other options include autoplay speed, pause on hover, slides to scroll, grab cursor, loop, etc. So you can take your time fine-tuning the setting. Now, customizing the appearance of the carousel requires meddling with the options under the Style tab. Here, under the Items section, you are able to change the background color of the items if you want. You can also customize the border type, along with custom border width and color. There's already a default border added to the carousel, and if you want to curve the edges of the border radius option allows that modification. Also, you can customize padding, box shadow, and shadow mode options as well. For the images, you can also enjoy options like border radius, and padding. Again, you are able to change the height, width, and opacity of the images, which you may already have explored. The CSS filters option is a special case, which lets you customize the color properties of the images. The image opacity and CSS filter options are also available in hover mode, offering you a way to create an interactive brand carousel easily. As for the navigation dots, you can customize their colors, border radius, width, and height. Also, you may adjust the position further by the offset settings. And just like that, you can create awesome brand carousels for your website. We also prepared some demos to inspire your creativity with this widget. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Ultimate Store Kit. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more widget tutorials. See you soon.